Shopify versus PayHip, which is better for dropshipping? Welcome to today's video, where we'll be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms, Shopify and PayHip, to determine which is better for dropshipping. If you're considering starting or scaling your dropshipping business, this comparison will help you decide which platform suits your needs best. Links to both platforms are provided in the description below. First, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is the go-to platform for many e-commerce entrepreneurs, and it's no surprise why. It's a robust, all-in-one solution that offers extensive customization options, powerful integrations, and a large app marketplace. Shopify was designed with scalability in mind, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build a substantial online store. It offers a vast array of dropshipping apps like Oberlo, Spocket, and Deesers, which streamline the process of finding products and fulfilling orders. Shopify also supports multiple sales channels, allowing you to sell directly on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon, further broadening your reach. However, Shopify's powerful features come with a price. The monthly subscription starts at $39 for the basic plan, and with additional apps and transaction fees, costs can add up quickly. On the other hand, PayHip is a more straightforward, budget-friendly option. Initially designed for digital products, PayHip has evolved to support physical product sales and dropshipping. Its simplicity is its greatest strength, with a user-friendly interface that doesn't require much technical know-how to set up. PayHip offers a free plan with no upfront costs, charging only a 5% transaction fee per sale, making it a great choice for beginners or those with smaller budgets. While it doesn't have the extensive app ecosystem that Shopify does, PayHip integrates with various payment gateways and offers essential features like coupon codes, affiliate marketing, and customer analytics. However, PayHip may not be the best option if you're planning to scale significantly, as its features are more limited compared to Shopify's. So, which is better for dropshipping? It ultimately depends on your business needs. If you're just starting out, have a limited budget, or plan to sell a small number of products, PayHip is a great low-cost option to get your feet wet without a significant investment. However, if you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business and need a platform that can grow with you, Shopify is the clear winner. Its extensive customization options, app integrations, and multi-channel selling capabilities make it ideal for building a long-term, scalable business. In summary, both platforms have their strengths, but your choice should be guided by your business goals, budget, and the scale you're aiming for. I hope this comparison helped clarify the best platform for your dropshipping needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.